Invisalign is a breakthrough technology now widely utilized in orthodontics. Often referred to as clear, removable braces, Invisalign uses technology that straightens your teeth without wires and brackets. This technology utilizes a series of individually manufactured clear, customized removable appliances called aligners. They are virtually undetectable, which means hardly anyone will know that you are straightening your teeth. Each in this series of aligners is slightly different and progressively calibrated using 3D computer technology to move your teeth into their intended positions. When you wear your clear aligners, your teeth move week by week, millimeter by millimeter. Unlike braces, your aligners can be removed for eating, brushing, and flossing. Invisalign only works while you are wearing the aligners. We recommend that you wear your aligners full-time, day and night, except to eat, drink, brush, and floss your teeth. Because the aligners are designed to sequentially move your teeth, it is very important to wear each aligner in the order prescribed. Usually, you'll wear each aligner in the series for about 2 weeks. Keep your regularly scheduled appointments. This is the only way we can be sure the treatment is progressing as planned. Failure to follow instructions could significantly delay or compromise treatment results. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling your aligners. Handle only one aligner at a time. To insert your aligner, make sure you have the proper aligner, the upper for the top teeth and the lower for your bottom teeth. To help avoid confusion, each aligner is engraved with your initials and a U for upper or an L for lower. Insert the lower aligner first, then the upper. When inserting, gently push the aligners over your front teeth. Then apply equal pressure using your fingertips to the tops of your left and right molars until the aligner snaps into place. Do not bite your aligners into position. This may damage them. To remove, using your fingers, simultaneously apply equal downward pressure on the left and right side of the upper aligner and lift the aligner off your rear molars. Lift upward for the lower aligner. Using your fingers, gently lift the aligner off your front teeth. Immediately rinse and store your aligners in the protective case provided with your starter kit. To help prevent damage, avoid unnecessary removal. Do not use any sharp object to remove your aligners. Clean your aligners prior to each insertion. Use of the Invisalign cleaning system is recommended for the effortless extra strength cleaning and clarity that it provides aligners. Rinse well after each cleaning. Do not use denture cleaners to clean aligners and do not soak them in mouthwash. These products can damage the surface of the plastic, causing it to become dull and more visible. Proper oral hygiene while in treatment is critical. Always remove your aligners before meals. Brush your teeth after each meal and prior to reinserting your aligners. Brush and floss according to your usual routine. Regular checkups and cleaning are recommended for the continued health of your teeth and gums. Proper storage of your Invisalign aligners is necessary to assure their safekeeping. 2 aligner cases are included in your starter kit. We recommend that you store your Invisalign aligners in a case when not in your mouth. This will protect them from potential damage.